Hey, what's up guys? In today's video I will show you how to fix TCL Smart TV HDMI not working or HDMI no signal problem. Watch the video complete, don't miss any part. Do subscribe our channel and like the video if it helps you. You are watching that our TCL TV is connected with the HDMI device but it is showing no signal. Now I will show you step-by-step method to fix this problem. First step is to power off all HDMI devices connected and disconnect them from the TV. Now next step is to power off your TV from the mains. Unplug it from the wall socket. After unplugging, press and hold the power button on the TV. Remember, not from the remote but on the TV for 20 seconds. Then release the power key. Now connect your HDMI device to the TV. And plug them back. Now power on and check it's working or not. You can see that our HDMI ports are working now and we can see the display. If in all case previous method doesn't work, then perform a factory reset of your TV. Hopes this video will help you. Leave a like and thumbs up and stick to my channel for more tech videos. Take care.